Welcome! In today's tutorial, I'll show how to allow your contacts to see your profile photos on the Telegram app for PC. This guide is based on the latest update, and by the end, you'll have full control over who can view your profile pictures. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's running, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines. Click on them. This will open the main menu, where all your key options are found. From here, go down to Settings and click on it. Inside the Settings menu, select Privacy and Security. This section allows you to manage how your account interacts with others, what information is visible, and who can contact you. Next, scroll until you find the option labeled Profile Photos and click on it. Telegram's latest update makes this feature quite straightforward. Here you'll see different visibility options for your profile picture. You can choose between Everybody, My Contacts, or Nobody. To make your profile photo visible only to people you've added as contacts, choose My Contacts. This means only those saved in your Telegram contact list will be able to see your profile picture, giving you better control over your privacy while keeping friends and family connected visually. After selecting My Contacts, make sure to finalize the change by clicking Save. This step is essential because your new settings won't apply until you save them. Once it's done, you're all set. Telegram will immediately update your privacy preferences. Now, when your contacts open a chat with you, they'll see your profile photo while strangers or non-contacts will not. It's a simple but powerful setting that helps you manage your privacy more effectively. That's it for today's guide. You've just learned how to allow your contacts to see your profile photos on Telegram PC. If you found this helpful, consider checking out more tutorials to keep your Telegram experience secure and customized.